So the last part of this build will be, of course, the weaponry that makes up the Sinanju. And first things first, we're going to take the beam rifle, put it together, like so, followed by this part here that goes where? Goes here. Oh, no, that doesn't go there. It actually goes there, but I gotta open this up so I can open up the notch and put it there. There we go. So that's done. We have the barrel. It goes there. Done. Then we have this unique pieces that make up the assembly of the scope. And let's see here. Put that in there, I believe. Hold on, I gotta look at this right. Oh no, it's the opposite direction. There we go. So that goes in there, followed by this. That goes here, followed by this. That goes here. So it looks like that. I don't remember that on the master grade version. I'll have to look at that. It looks like that. And that's pretty much it. The beam rifle is now complete. Now we have the shield. And we have, actually no, let's follow the instructions properly. So we put this one here. Ooh, that's a beautiful emblem. Followed by this one here. Make sure it goes all the way. Then this goes through here. And then finally this. Of course, something like this should have been done on the master grade, but they never did that. And they did it on the real grade. Makes you wonder. Oh yeah, there is one piece that I need. I think it's, hold on a second. Yep, it's this one right here. It's from the actual assembly of the inner frame. Let's remove that. So this one goes in here, like so. And then this one goes in here, like so. Take this, put that there, followed by this, which, if I'm looking at this correctly, goes like that. And it has to have this notch facing this side. The remaining parts here, let's see. I think we take these two parts and put them together. Followed by this, goes around here. And then this part goes here. And then this part goes here. Oh, is this the grenade launcher? Looks like a grenade launcher. Doesn't that go here? Yeah, I believe so. Or not. I don't know. Remaining parts, we have this one goes here. This one goes here. And then by putting this one here, you have these notches that goes in the opposite direction. Okay, weapons are done. What do you think of that? Let's now begin a final assembly. Alright, here are all the parts that make up the Sinanju. Real grade. Let's put them together and see how it is, how it looks. We will begin with the legs connecting to the waist. It goes in there. That goes here. Open up the legs a bit. Turn. Bring these down. And we have the backpack. Connect that through there. Bring it down like so. Like so. Like so. There we go. Now it feels it. Bring this up a bit. And then like that. Connect that here. Just want to make sure it's nice and tight in there. Okay. I think it's tight in there. Let me open this up a bit just so I can balance it out, because I feel like it's a little back heavy. Then I guess we have to assemble this. That goes here. Then this one goes here. Sorry. That one goes there. And then this one goes here. Oh. I think yeah, this one. Alright, why don't you want to go in? Come on. There we go. There we go. Now, if I'm mistaken, this goes, I guess, like this. It's held into place. Oh, there's no hole here. Well, I guess oh, okay, that one is held by that here. I guess. All right, I have to figure this out. I gotta look at the manual. Let's just put the head on. There we go. Huh, and there you happen. And I'm not digging. Let me just take this off. I knew that was gonna happen. I said, let it happen. Take this off. Then we put the gun here. And then we put the arm piece, the hand piece there. Come back to this. Put that here. What just happened? This whole thing came off. Whoops. Doing. There we go. Alright, that's it. And I think the back boots, maybe it's turned inwards too much. Let's see if I can balance it out. There we go. I have a distinct feeling I'm gonna have to pull out a stand for this kit, but I have to admit this looks really nice. How it looks overall, and how to connect this to the. I'm looking at the manual right now. So to connect the shield. Oh, I see. Okay, I didn't realize it. It's something here that you have to lift up, and then that goes here, and then you bring it about like that, but it doesn't want to stay. Are you absolutely... All right, there we go. Now it's in there. Now it's... Hey. Wow. Did I do this right? Oh, because it opens up. So even if I put it in there, there's the risk of it coming off. All right, we're just going to have to let it hang into place like so. And then do this. That's pretty annoying. All right, you know what? We're kind of done here. I think we're kind of done here, and I'm going to use you as a pedestal to hold up this. There we go. All right, there it is. The real grade Sinanju 144 scale is now complete. And I have to admit, very, very shiny. Very blingy. And I thought maybe I was actually buying a P Bandai kit. But, yeah, you know what? The I think there's a P Bandai version of this that's more like a, oh, what would you call it? A titanium finish. Or maybe clear, or maybe reflectiveness, but how well the shine is on this kit looks really nice. So it's overall, I really like how it looks. I'm gonna have to pull out a stand so I can give it that nice cool little pose look, so give me a second while I pull something out. And here it is on this little action base that I pulled from one of my other kits, and it's done. Very nice. Pretty cool. I'm not going to say nothing bad about it. It is beautiful to the eye. Posability is really nice and strong. Just like, you know, certain areas pop out easily if you don't push it in properly. But the detail is there, as you could see, especially with all the shininess and things like that. Obviously the showpieces right here on the shield, but to see this you would have to be like always in this, you know, sure, hey, look at this. So if you had like a little revolving turntable, you could put it there and let it, you know, go around in circles so people can, you know, admire it. I'm very fancy. I'm kind of very very loving this shine, because unlike other plastic kits that, you know, that simulate some sort of metallic look to it, you know, the simulation is of course a molding effect, and the best way to do it is to paint it and get it most out of it. This one, you pretty much eliminate the ability to paint it, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And it's more of a, it feels like an optical illusion, but Bandai has not sacrificed that type of technique on any of the other parts, except for the metallic parts that's within the inside of the thrusters, on the side of the leg, on the shoulder areas, behind the backpack, the waist unit area. Just that I am a bit kind of, I don't think I'm disappointed. Maybe it is a little loosey-goosey. You would want to do a little ab crunch there, even though you can do it. Just you can't stay permanent. And by me looking at this and how it looks, I'm more pissed. Not at this kit that I just finished. I'm more pissed at this kit that I built a long time ago. And that is, of course, my master grade Sinanju, which don't know where the gun is. I must have put it someplace. And this has better features than this. I was actually positioning the thrusters back here, and I was gonna like open it up, and they go, wait a minute, that doesn't have that ability. This does, and I like this one better than this. That, and of course the ability to, I think it was the side skirt armors don't open up. These don't open up like this one does, so that's a very nice gimmick. Don't know about this one doesn't, because this is all molded into one piece right there. I believe that's a secondary piece. Yeah. My metallic version was supposed to be nice metallic red, except the Eleclad paint turned it into purple, which doesn't make any sense whatsoever. But in essence, it came out pretty nice, and I did like it, and I did pretty good on the, I guess the gold trim there, as you could see. I should review this kit again one day, but not now. Anyway, for the real grade, it is nice. It is cool. It is neat. And it is something as a primer to get myself ready for the next real grade that will be coming soon. And you guys know what I'm talking about. So I like to, this was just a basic straight build, so you guys can see this. There was never an intention for me to paint it. There was a silly thing of me actually painting it white, but for me to do that on this nice shiny gloss would be blasphemy. I'd rather take a regular high-grade Sinanju and turn it into white. But guess what? We're getting the Sinanju Stein, and that is far better than this. So it is what it is. I like it. I'm not going to show you none of the other gimmicks or any other pieces that came with it. It's done. I'm just going to put it in the shelf and let it collect dust. Until then, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And what can I say? But stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.